Hello and good morning. Welcome back. We're in a new year here. Today is 1/8/24. Name, date, and period. And of course, the date is right there. All right, so let's take a look. Name all the angles. Okay, well, what's vertical? Vertical is straight across, so 1 and 6, 5 and 2, 3 and 8, and 7 and 4. Those are all vertical. And vertical angles are always equal. So angle 1 would be equal to angle 6. Always equal. Let's go to corresponding. Corresponding is top, top, bottom, bottom. So top of this line and top of that line. Top, top, bottom, bottom. Top, top, bottom, bottom. So 1 and 3 and 5 and 7. And 2 and 4 and 6 and 8. And the relationship is they're equal. So angle 2 would have the same measure of this one. Okay? So these are equal if the lines are parallel. Write that down. So if the lines are parallel, they're equal. That's the relationship. Same side interior, they're not equal, like this one. This is the interior. So 5 and 3 and 6 and 4. They're not equal, they are supplementary. This angle is smaller than that angle, so they're not equal. They're supplementary. So 5 plus 3 would equal 180 degrees. If the lines are parallel. Write that down. If the lines are not parallel, they're not going to add up to 180. Exterior is the same way. They're supplementary. Add up to 180. So put add to 180. And same side exterior would be 1 and 7 and 2 and 8. Okay? Alternating interior would be 5 and 4, and they would be equal. So 5 would be equal to 4 if the lines are parallel. If they're not parallel, they're not equal. They would still be alternating interior, but they wouldn't be equal. So 6 and 3. And there it is. Alternating exterior, same way. This one and this one, 1 and 8. So 1 is equal to 8. 2 is equal to 7. And linear pair would be anything that forms a line. So this is a line, so it would be 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 180. Even 3 plus 7 is equal to that line. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 180. There's a lot of linear pairs, so I'm not going to write them all. There we go. Today's worksheet looks like this. And here's what I want you to do. Again, if you're not here at school, you can copy this down. Draw the diagrams. All the lines are parallel, I'm telling you right now. I'm giving you that. Name the angle. So here you would say alternating exterior. So alternating exterior. And the relationship, since the lines are parallel, since I told you that, they're equal. So x is equal to 102. They're equal. So I want you to name it and then write an equation. Now you can't really write an equation for this. Make this a little smaller. The backside you can write an equation, and I do want an equation. So take a look at the backside. So on the backside right here, these two are called same side interior. So you would say same side interior. And I want to see that. That's the name. They're not equal, they add up to 180. So you're going to say 132 plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 180 degrees. When you finish today's worksheet, and of course you got to work that out, right? When you finish today's worksheet, I want you to go in the book, and I want you to try page. So today you're going to do the worksheet, and you're going to do page 375. Draw the diagrams. Let's turn our attention now to the next class, which is college algebra. If you can't be with us, here's the worksheet. And this is just factoring. So this is kind of a review here. Now, if you can't work some of these, skip it and come back to it, okay? And you can raise your hand. I'll answer questions a little later in the class. Make sure you copy these two formulas. You're going to use that here. So it's going to be x cubed plus 4 cubed. And then you're going to use the sum of 2 cubes. You're going to use that formula right there. Again, if you get stuck, skip it and keep moving. Work everything you can. Also, if it has 4 terms like this one, you're going to do group factoring. So you're going to group that up. You're going to group that up. Here you're going to take out a -5. Make sure you take out a negative and then change your signs. Here you're going to take out an x squared. Group factoring. This one right here is the difference of 2 cubes. That's going to be, or difference of 2 squares. That's going to be 4x squared minus 9 squared. So it's going to be 4x plus 9 and 4x minus 9. And then this right here can be factored again as the difference of 2 squares. 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. So your answer would be all of that. Okay, so again, here's your worksheet. If you get stuck, then put a mark by it, but keep moving. Have a good day.